Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to set up custom alerts and notifications in Mapify. To exemplify, we'll use a geofencing demo in the city of Paris. Here is our vehicle and its data. One of the fields is violation detected, which is currently set to false, meaning no violation has occurred. A violation will be triggered if the vehicle enters the restricted zone. To create this geofencing demo, we'll need Mapify workflows. If you're unfamiliar with creating workflows, check out our how-to video on that topic. To test the workflow, we've also set up a simulation to mimic the car's movement within this defined area. Now, let's set up an alert that triggers whenever the vehicle enters the restricted zone. First, we'll need an email address to receive the alerts. We'll use webhook to generate the unique email address and URL for previewing the email. With that in place, let's add a new node to the workflow, specifically an email sync node. You can find this in the sync section, where options like sending a text message, MQTT message, HTTP request, and email are available. For this example, we'll select email. Next, we'll edit the email sync node by providing a name, subject, email address, and message template, and then confirm. It may take a few minutes for the workflow to update, so be patient. Once ready, we'll run the simulation again. The vehicle is moving. And there it is. It has crossed into the restricted zone. We can already see the emails coming through on webhook. Let's improve this message to provide more context. Returning to the email sync node, we'll update the message template to include additional attributes, such as the license plate number and zone. We'll also add the license plate to the subject line. Running the simulation again, we see the updated email results. Now with the license plate and restricted zone information. Another possibility is to send an HTTP request instead of an email. We'll fill in the name and description fields again. Use webhook for the URL, select post as the HTTP method, and include the original message in the body. And confirm. Then we run the simulation again. Here are the requests. It's not an email anymore. Instead, the entire message is being sent to a URL.